Friends, family, teachers of the Campion College turn out in their numbers just in order to pay their final respect to Rashid Richards, the student that died after being hit by a goal post. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It was an emotional moment for the family, friends, teachers and other well-wishers who gathered in St. Anne in order to pay their final respect to Rashad Richards at his funeral service yesterday. The service was held at the Salem New Testament Church of God in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, which commenced at 11 a.m. An accidentally gifted, well-rounded and God-fearing child. That's how many described young Richard at his funeral service yesterday. The 13-year-old was a second-form student of the Campion College, died after being hit by a goal post during a rugby practice session at the school in October. He was later rested at the family plot in Minards Hill, Brownstown, following the homegoing service at his church, the Salem New Testament Church of God in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Several tributes were given by representatives of the church, Campion College, Columbus Prep, North Regional Health Authority, Runaway Bay Community Pharmacy and the Ministry of Education. His godfather, Andre Kaur, delivered the eulogy. Kaur outlined Rashad's love for the family, God and church, having been born into a Christian family and been baptized at the age of 10 years old. He also noted Rashad's achievement in school, excelling in many subjects with grades ranging from 90 to 99%, as well as his helpfulness in tutoring his friends, so much that they gave him the nickname Professor. He also spoke about Rashad's love for sports, particularly football. Links 007 TV was on hand and captured some of these moments.
Good afternoon, everyone. Oh, it's still morning. Good morning. I'm so sorry. I'm rushing the day already. I am Suzanne Ritchie Brown, principal of Columbus Preparatory School, and I invite the class of 2003 to stand. I invite all parents and staff members of Columbus Prep to stand, please. I was on the phone with my cousin when the news came on, and I remember saying, I am glad I am not that parent. And little did I know that, yes, I was one of that parent. Because I had Rashad at Columbus Prep School from he was 3 years old. A brilliant light has been extinguished. We mourn the loss of Rashad, a young man of exceptional promise, whose life was tragically cut short. Rashad was more than just a student. He was a beacon of hope, a shining example of academic excellence, and a cherished member of the Columbus Preparatory School family, the class of 2003, 2023. During his time at Columbus Preparatory School, Rashad consistently demonstrated a remarkable and unwavering dedication to his studies, their work. As one teacher puts it, he would diligently assist them and was never annoyed even when they did not get it the first time. He would patiently try to go over the method and maybe try another way in order to help them to grasp. A former classmate said, and I quote, "He helped me so many times when we were preparing for PEP. Some of us would study with him sometimes. If it wasn't for him, we would not have passed some of the tests." Rashad was such a disciplined and obedient young man that one teacher stated he was close to perfect. He never got himself in trouble, and he never broke a school rule. From a tender age, Rashad displayed a yearning for wisdom and spiritual depth beyond his years. He made his decision to dedicate his life to the Lord, embracing faith with a fervent sincerity that inspired everyone around him. His walk with Christ was evident in the way he treated others with kindness, respect, and a heart full of compassion. Rashad made an indelible mark on the lives of those fortunate enough to know him. Although his time with us was far too short, Rashad's legacy lives on in the lives he touched. His faith reminds us to seek God in all things. His discipline challenges us to be steadfast in our endeavors, and his compassion encouraged us to give of ourselves selflessly. Rashad, you may no longer walk among us, but your spirit, your footprint, your light, and your love will forever remain in our hearts. Rest peacefully in the arms of the one who said, "Suffer the little children to come unto me," your Lord and Savior, you so deeply cherished. Until we meet again, we celebrate your life and the remarkable difference you made in your time here on earth. As we mourn the loss of this extraordinaire, let us celebrate his life and the impact he made. May his memory be a source of inspiration for all of us. Family, be comforted knowing that Rashad lived a good life. Sorry. He knew that he was loved. He always knew it. Mrs. Richards, Mr. Richards, it's never easy to lose a child. But God knows why he took him from us at this time. May the memories of Rashad continue to stay in your hearts. Keep him near and dear to you at all times. Be comforted that we at Columbus Prep School loved him too, and we will all And we will always be that source of strength for you all. Rashad, may your soul rest in peace.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.